potatoes, baby potatoes. I'm going to use them with chicken and pork stew. Soy sauce, vinegar, liquid seasoning, oyster sauce, white pepper, black pepper. We'll mix this, then put in the pork and the chicken. The pork, the chicken. Pour the marinade on the pork and then some on the chicken. The meat are still frozen, so I'm going to add in the marinade in time for it to thaw. Cover it 30 minutes to 1 hour. Cover it so that the insects will not go in. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to soak them in brine solution so that they are washed well, because I'm not going to peel them. I'm going to mix this with the chicken pork adobo. It's a usual twist up here in Baguio to put potatoes in the adobo. And then laurel leaves, and then paminta or black pepper. Some are whole, some are ground. It's the last from the bottle. And then garlic. Some of them will be whole, some of them will be minced. The pot is warm, so I'm going to put cooking oil. I'm putting cooking oil because the pork is lean. I'm going to saute it. Put the whole garlic in. And also the minced garlic. So good today. The garlic are kind of burned. And then I will put in the meat all together because the pork is cut in small sizes. It's hard to do when we are holding the camera and then we are cooking. See, the garlic is burnt. Don't do this. So I was going to put in the meat before the garlic turns totally burnt. And the meat are still frozen. This can be done. This is the shortcut way, but the best is to thaw it first before cooking it. I put in the marinade to help it cook. If this is not enough, we can add in water. So I put in some water. Then I put the laurel leaves. And then the black pepper. Cover it. Wait for it to boil and then simmer for about 30 to 1 minutes to 1 hour. This has been simmering or boiling 20 minutes and the meat have separated. So I'm going to put in the potatoes, the baby potatoes or marble potatoes. Also, I'm going to add some brown sugar. About 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon. I don't want it to be very sweet. I prefer it to be salty over being sweet. Okay. Then we cover it again. Let the potatoes and the meat cook about 10 to 20 minutes. Check it along the way for the right amount of salt and sugar. It's all up to you. You may taste it while it's being cooked. And then cover it again. Now let's check if the potatoes are cooked. Use a fork, spare it. Not so cooked, but the meat is done. The meat is separating from the bone almost. Two minutes and this is done. Consider this done. For 2 minutes more, then we are ready to eat. This is best served with rice. Alright, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe!